Gold and silver traded in range yesterday and today have started the bullish move and started the day on a slightly bullish note where we have seen gold moving towards 2480 and silver now close to 29, 30, 40 zone. Critical resistance is here. What to expect today? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, everything we're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. Watch till. If you look at the hourly charts of gold, you can see higher lows are created. It is taking support here and now trying to rise with the support from the 20 period moving average. Also, moving averages are now looking upward, signs of bullishness here on the verge of a crossover here. Thus, as long as now 2400 levels are not taken, we should not be treating gold as bearish here. Very, very clear. Though you can take a selling entry at around 2405, 2404 zone, but again, I will say it is going to be a bit riskier as long as 2400 is not taken, and below that 2394 is going to be the first support zone. Yes, it is looking right now upwards. How high it can fly? See, once it breaks beyond 2422 levels, we can expect it to move towards 2428, 2430, and in fact 2440 is also possible if it breaks past 2430 zone. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is also rising. The RSI is also rising here. Little signs of bullishness, but I can see the rise is a bit gradual compared to what we have seen during the bearish momentum. It was a vertical fall. Now the rise is trading in this, or you can say it is retracing in this gradually bullish channel. So I see this as a retracement, not a reversal. The moving averages have started to look upwards on the 2-hour charts as well. Also, the top of the Bollinger Bands and the median of the Bollinger Bands here is giving it a little resistance. Thus, we have to wait for now for it to break past 2420, 2422 zone, which is going to be a prime resistance levels here. And beyond 2422 is where we can say slight bullishness will prevail. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD is rising here, looking upwards. I've mentioned here itself that it is crossed over at bottom and it may continue to rise for a while. RSI is showing a rise as well. Coming to 3, likewise on the 3-hour chart, see it has delivered higher lows and higher highs trading in this bullish channel. Very, very important for it to stay above 2420, 2422 zone in order to confirm further rise. What has happened since yesterday? You can see this drop, retracement, lower lows, and now see after delivering lower lows, it has breached past the highs here. So trading in this bullish channel, and possibly it may continue to do so. We have to wait for a breakout only. Beyond 2422, certainly we can look forward to 2430 levels as well. The stochastic rising, the MACD is also rising here. Look, the crossover here, looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI is rising, good sign for the bulls. Coming to 4-hour. Now look at 4-hour chart. See, higher highs are seen here. We have to wait for a breakout. Second thing is, look at the preceding candle. It comes with a tail and also a flat base. That suggests that 2404 levels, if it breaks, certainly a little more bearishness may prevail here. Below 2404, we can expect it to move towards 2400, 2398 levels. First target 2394, the next, and then 2389 levels will come into picture. Only bearishness is if it trades below 2389. Right now, I can see it is trading in this retracement channel here. And on the upside, the resistance at 2430 is going to be the first stronger one, and then 2440 levels. If you look at stochastic, this is rising. The MACD has crossed over here and it is trading with divergence. The face is wide open here. This suggests that there is still bullishness and it may continue to do so. RSI is rising. Coming to daily. Now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Now, if you look at the daily charts here, what has happened? Prices were divergent here from the 20 period moving average. It has come towards 20 period. It has taken the support here. Now, after finding the support from the 20 period, it is now trying to bounce back. How strong this rise can be, that is what we have to wait. See, 2420, 2422 zone, once it takes away, you can say that the bulls might try to accelerate the movement here, and then you can look forward to 2426, 2430 as the next target zones. Beyond 2430, we can look forward to stronger momentum towards 2440 as well. If you look at the moving averages, these are still looking upwards and are staying bullish only, while the stochastic after hitting the oversold zone is now looking upwards. But only thing is the MACD, which is crossed over at the top and which is trading with divergence and staying bearish. But also, if you look at, see, On the MACD, gold still has a room for upside. So I will wait. If it crosses over here, that will be the sign of a reversal. Right now, it is still in the bearish side, and a stronger rise is required for it to converge crossover on the upside. RSI rising. So looking at this, very simple, buy at 2420, 2422 zone, expect it to move towards 2426, 30 and 2440 levels are also possible. Now the stronger resistances here are at 2430 and then 2440 and then 2444.5. Once it breaks beyond this 2444.5, you can say a stronger rise can be expected, and then gold may continue to rise from the current levels. Though I do not think that 2440-45 might get breached, but yes, beyond this, sky is the limit. We can look forward to 2452, 2465 levels. On the downside, a selling entry now I will recommend is at 2404. Below 2404, still you will find the first support at around 2398, 2400 levels. First support 2394, the second 2389.87, the third 2384, the fourth, and below 2384 is where the bear attack will be seen, and where you can say now this is the reversal, and then we can look forward to 2370, 2350 levels very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts I have mentioned yesterday as well. See, it is forming a cusp here, and it can try to now see the slope here and here. This is a bit vertical. This suggests that there is inherent bullishness, but most importantly, we have to wait for it to break beyond 2940, 2950 zone, which is going to be a prime resistance zone for silver. And thus, once it stays above 2940, you can initiate a buying entry when you see the lower price is about 2940. And remember, again I am warning, 2940, 2960 is going to be a prime resistance level here. Beyond this, you can expect a stronger momentum here in silver. See, it is taking support from the 20 period moving average, which is proving out to be a good support. Only bearishness in silver today is below $29 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising, good sign for the bulls. Coming to 2 hour, look at the 2 hour charts. Preceding candle, a swing candle here. Current candle trying to bounce back, trying to rise here. Look at the median of the Bollinger Bands at 2940, the 50 period moving average at around 2950. So this zone is going to be a prime resistance levels here. If you look at the formation here, drop, retracement, and thus once it breaks out beyond 2940-50, you can say that the bulls will be there, and then stronger rise can be seen. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising here. Coming to 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour chart, see the rise, retracement, and the first bullish candle. Possibly there could be a follow-up candle from here, and then prices might try to move on the upside in this fashion, where the highs at around 2960, 2980 levels cannot be denied. Possibility is there. And thus, if it stays about 2940-50 zone, stay bullish. See, right now the moving averages are trading with divergence and are staying bearish. These have crossed over here. But at the same time, we must notice that it has formed a good base. After staying bearish, it is looking forward to a breakout or a retracement on the upside. How high it can fly? See, a possibility is there that it can in fact keep moving towards 30-50 levels if it continues to rise from the current levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards. RSI is rising. On the 4 hour charts, if similar observation here, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Right now here the 20 period is giving it a resistance. The move, if you look at the formation here, see the drop was a bit gradual, the rise is a bit steep. It suggests that there is inherent bullishness here. Now once it stays beyond 2940-50, it will definitely accelerate. But if you look at the movement, see moving averages after crossing over here are trading bearish. The prices are just trying to retrace a little. On the upside now, $29.80 and $30 levels are going to be the prime resistance here for silver on the upside. Beyond $29.60 levels, $29.80 and $30 levels, you should watch out for. These are going to remain critical. Stochastic rising, MACD also rising, and RSI is also rising here. Good sign for the bulls. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts here. See, on the daily charts, you can find out preceding 3 candles, lower lows, lower highs were seen. Current candle is trying to give a breakout, but most importantly, it has to stay above 2940 and 60 zone, which will confirm its movement towards 2980 and in fact $30 levels. Similar levels here. While on the downside, see now $29.10, $29 levels are going to be very strong support. Any move below $29 levels is a sign of reversal, sign of bearishness. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, and RSI flat. So looking at this, very simple. Buying levels I have already mentioned, and the targets I have already shared. On the sell side, I will recommend a sell at $29.10, $29 levels. Below $29 levels, you can stay short for $28.80, 2860, or rather I will say 2850 levels here. If it continues to trade below 2880 today, we can say that the bears will be there in action, and then you can in fact look forward to 2850 and lower levels. As far as I am concerned, I look forward to a little rise here. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do watch that update as well. Thank you.